Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do another video and I am really looking like a crazy person, but that's why my hairs are like messy. I don't know, I'm not getting the perfect angle. Okay, let me try. Let me adjust this first. Am I like looking perfect, like coming in the frame or not? I am trying that anyways. I think so. Today we will be doing a makeup tutorial and I am really nervous because मैं जब भी makeup tutorial करती हूँ बहुत nervous होती हूँ. I don't know how it's going to turn out because I'm a learner myself. So what I'm learning मैं आप सबके साथ share करने वाली हूँ. I hope कि आपको ये पसंद आएगा and आपको मेरा आज का makeup tutorial अच्छा लगेगा. It's a kind of a party makeup, a smoky eye look, and I'm really excited. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, I'm going to prime my face. After moisturizing, I like to prime my face because if you have like open pores तो बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आप अपने face को prime करें क्योंकि when आप foundation लगाएंगे तो वो थोड़ा केकी टाइप लगेगा. So it's better that you apply a good primer on your face so आपका pores की जो problem है वो नहीं रहेगी and you will get a clear canvas for your face. First I'm going to take this Maybelline Fit Me foundation that I love. And this is in the shade 220 natural beige and this is my shade. You can choose according to your shades. I'm going to take right here. Oh god, I missed it. I don't know why I always take extra foundation on my hand. Sorry, I'm messy. I've taken a lot of it, I guess. And second, I'm going to take a drop of a Master Strobing cream. It gives a nice glow on your face, like a natural glow. Only a drop of it, not too much. Like this much. Oh man. This much. Then you're going to mix it both. आपको इसको अच्छे से mix करना है. Just warm it up on your hand. Use my fingers to apply it all over. अगर आप फाउंडेशन नहीं भी यूज़ करना चाहते तो आप बीबी क्रीम भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. मैं पर्सनली बीबी क्रीम की बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन हूँ. आई थिंक आई लव बीबी क्रीम. इट्स सो अप्लाई. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप अपनी नेक पे भी इसको अप्लाई करें. ऐसे ना आपकी फेस का कलर कुछ और हो, आपकी नेक का कलर कुछ और हो, वो बहुत ही ऑड लगता है. I'm going to apply a little bit on my eyelids also. Later I'm going to conceal it. So I'm going to take the excess foundation from my hand onto my sponge and start dabbing it in. It looks so natural, guys. It never looks so like something made up or something artificial on your face. Never rub it on your face. That's my one tip. If you're going to rub it, it's not going to go into your skin. Be gentle on your skin. Don't go too harsh. It's a real hard work. Now as I'm done with my foundation, I'm going to begin with the next step. And this is concealing my under eyes and other highlighting areas. And this is, I'm using Ancient Age Refined Concealer. I'm going to use a little bit. Now I'm going to move to the another step. Now I'm going to take this Lakme 925 compact. I really love it because it has SPF 40 in it. So I'm going to use it to set all of my makeup. I'm taking this sponge that comes inside and I'm going to dab it. It's very important to set your foundation and concealer, otherwise it will melt and doesn't stay in place. I'm going to take Miss Clair for my blush because I don't believe in using powder blushes. These days I'm using more of these. So I'm just going to dab like 2. Look how natural the redness on your face looks. It's like so natural. It feels like your cheeks are shining from within and there's a lot of glow and that redness on your face. I love this. I love this. I'm using this V-Face contouring stick on my face because it's a good shade, not that too much dark. And I'm just to take light contouring, not too much heavy contouring, just a little bit. Now I'm going to begin with my brow, and for that I'm using Miss Clair eyebrow cake. It's lovely product. I think I loved it. First I'm going to comb it nicely so that every hair is at its place. I'm done with my eyebrows. I'm going to take a concealer a bit, like a bit. I'm going to take concealer on my eyelid. Then I'm going to take some powder. I'm going to begin with the L'Oreal Kajal I'm using right now. It's L'Oreal Intensa 36-hour eyeliner and it's a gel eyeliner. So most probably for this kind of a look, I probably use gel eyeliner because that's the best thing you could do. And I'm just going to make a line. Same way on the other eye. This much you have to apply, not more than this. You can be messy at this place because that doesn't matter at all. So now I am going to take this nudes palette and going to use this black shade. Make sure you use little quantity, not too much of ours, and don't go over your cream. So now as I've achieved the maze where I need till here only, इससे ऊपर जो है I'll blend the brown color जो मैं इसके साथ mix करने वाली हूँ, because I want this much space between my eyelid and my transition color. तो आपको सिर्फ यहीं eyelid तक करना है, इसके ऊपर आपको नहीं जाना है क्योंकि यहाँ पे आपका transition color आएगा. So वो मैं यूज़ करने वाली brown color from this particular palette. So I'm going to take any sort of brown color that you love. You can take from it. I am going to take this one, or maybe this one. I think this one will go, so I'll take this only. I'm going to use this small brush and I'm going to take this brown color and then mix it with this black color a little bit and put it on my lower lid. So now I am done with my eyes. Now I'm going to apply my falsies. Before applying my falsies, I need to curl my lashes and apply one coat of mascara, which is very important. I'm going to take these eyelashes and I'm going to just twist them like this, like this, like this. After applying glue, leave it for like 30 seconds and then just wait for glue to become tacky. Now I'm going to apply my favorite lipstick from Maybelline Creamy Matte in the shade Nude Nuance. It looks perfect with smoky eyes. Now the time has come for my favorite step, applying highlighter, because highlighter is life.